Welcome back everyone. I'll be showing you how I make my gentle foaming cleanser. This is gentle and mild on your skin, and it's not going to strip your skin or leave your skin feeling dry. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this cleanser, so let's jump right in. Please check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe. And if this is your first time watching, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. Next, I'm going to weigh out my surfactants. I'm using a combination of 2, but you can use any surfactants that you like. These 2 are very gentle and mild on the skin. I'm going to set aside my surfactants and I'm going to weigh my lavender hydrosol. I love this hydrosol so much. It's great for skin irritation, inflammation. It helps with acne and dry skin. You can also use rose hydrosol, aloe vera juice. There are so many options. I'm going to measure out my vegetable glycerin. This helps to draw moisture to your skin. And I'm also going to use some processed organic aloe vera gel. This gel is very moisturizing and nourishing on your skin as well. And then I'm going to use some extracts. The extracts are completely optional. I'm using carrot extract and calendula extract, so you can skip that if you do not want to use that in your recipe. But the carrot extract is rich in antioxidants and it's antibacterial, and calendula is also rich in antioxidants and it's anti-inflammatory and very soothing on your skin. So I'm just going to measure out my extracts. I'm going to measure out my preservative. I'm using Optifen. I still get asked a lot of questions about preservatives. I'll leave my preservative video in the description box if you want to check that out. But you want to use a preservative to avoid bacteria from growing in your product. I'm also using some essential oils of tea tree and lavender, and of course these are optional. If you are sensitive to essential oils, you can skip that as well. So now I'm going to combine all my water-based ingredients together. I'm going to add everything to my distilled water and I'm going to mix everything very well. I'm going to add my surfactant blend to my water mix. Once I add that in, I'm going to mix very gently so that way I don't activate too much lather. So now that I've combined everything together, I want to check the pH of my face wash. I like to do this before I add my preservatives. So I'm just going to use my pH meter, check the pH, and then make any adjustments that I need, and I'll lower the pH using some citric acid solution. And this is what the face wash is looking like. I'm going to package this up, and I'm going to use some foaming bottles. I purchased my foaming bottles from Amazon. These are 2-ounce foaming bottles. So I'm just going to package this up next, and I'm going to show you the lather on this face wash. So if you're looking for a gentle cleanser that is not drying on your skin and very gentle, then this is a great recipe to try out. I hope you found this recipe helpful. As always, reach out to me in the comments with any questions you have, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.